On a humid evening in Miri, Sarawak, a group of colleagues gathers after work at a riverside cafe. Among them is Elaine, a mid-level manager cautiously saving for her future. Over cups of local kopi, the discussion turns from daily life to financial planning, a topic that sparks curiosity, debate, and occasional anxiety. Elaine recalls a recent property launch boasting sky-high prices and asks, "Are properties here still a good investment?" The group quiets, their eyes reflecting the question's significance in a fluctuating economy. Nizam, a pragmatic banker, starts with the basics. He points out that property in Miri has historically been stable, especially residential units near the city and petroleum hubs. Prices rarely swing wildly, and rental yields, while modest, provide predictability. He notes, buying property here is like planting sago. It grows slow, but it's steady. But, he cautions, you need significant capital and the patience for long-term returns. Jasmine, an insurance agent, disagrees. She prefers unit trusts and stocks. She explains that while stocks like those in Bursa Malaysia can be volatile, disciplined investors can access higher returns and liquidity. She recounts a friend's experience. With just a few thousand ringgit, he diversified across tech and plantation companies, and now, after 2 years, has a portfolio up nearly 30%. However, Jasmine warns, timing matters, and emotional investing leads to mistakes. Muthu, an entrepreneur, brings up gold and fixed deposits. Gold has always been a safe haven, he says, especially during inflation. In the past 5 years, the value of gold bullion bought in Miri increased more consistently than some shop houses in the outskirts. Fixed deposits, on the other hand, guarantee returns, but rarely beat inflation, making them safe, but not growth drivers. The conversation deepens as they compare other factors. Property requires maintenance fees, legal costs, stamp duty, and, sometimes, lengthy vacancy periods. It's less liquid. Selling can take months. Stocks and unit trusts can be cashed out in days. However, stocks fluctuate based on market sentiment and external events, posing higher risks. Gold and fixed deposits earn little or no income but preserve value and offer simplicity. Chan, the oldest, recounts buying land on Miri's fringes decades ago, land that has now quadrupled in value as the city expanded. He laughs, location, and a bit of luck. Chan's story demonstrates that for those with patience and foresight, property in growth areas can yield life-changing returns. But he admits it's not for everyone. By night's end, the cafe grows quieter. Elaine sums up the night's lesson. There's no single best investment, just the best one for your goals, risk appetite, and time frame. Property in Miri remains worthwhile for those seeking stability and gradual appreciation, especially if chosen in developing areas. Yet stocks, gold, and fixed deposits each offer different advantages for liquidity, speculate growth, or capital protection.